This is the newest trading bot for pocket option. Unlike the others, Flex AI is not just a piece of code, it's your personal, fully customizable agent that works 24/7. When talking about customization, this is what it looks like. Live assets, OTC or crypto. Set your own charts type, time frame, and the most important, your time zone. Flex AI will fully synchronize with your own pocket option account. When all the settings were set, let's proceed to the first Flex trading session. Today, we will see how much we can earn by trading with the help of FlexBot. To begin with, we set the time of the transaction, the amount of the bet, and select a currency pair, after which we open a transaction. Our project has been granted with the unique pocket option promo code. You can see it on your screen. Use it now and get a 60% bonus for your deposit. Periodically, I change the time of the transaction and the currency pair. Here is such a decent amount we were able to earn for today with the help of FlexBot.